Did you know that Chat GPT can write poetry, code, and even help you study? This might sound surprising, but it's just the tip of the iceberg when it comes to AI's capabilities. Imagine a tool that transforms how we interact with technology. Curious about what else it can do? Let's dive into this fascinating world of AI. Welcome to our journey into the world of Chat GPT, a groundbreaking innovation in artificial intelligence. This remarkable tool is redefining our interactions with technology, seamlessly integrating into our daily lives. From enhancing productivity to sparking creativity, Chat GPT's impact is profound. Let's explore how it's transforming the landscape of AI and beyond. In today's digital age, Chat GPT stands at the forefront of artificial intelligence. Yet, misconceptions abound. Many believe it's just a sophisticated chatbot, limited in scope and creativity. Others fear it might encroach on jobs, replacing human ingenuity with algorithmic precision. But what's the reality? First, it's crucial to understand that Chat GPT is more than just a tool for casual conversation. It's a catalyst for innovation, enhancing productivity and creativity across diverse fields. From assisting writers with creative blocks to helping students grasp complex concepts, its potential is vast. While the fear of job displacement is valid, it's also an opportunity for transformation. Chat GPT can automate mundane tasks, freeing humans to engage in more meaningful work that requires a personal touch and emotional intelligence. So what does this mean for you? It means embracing Chat GPT not as a threat, but as an ally in your daily endeavors. As we move forward, let's explore how this technology can benefit us all, turning challenges into opportunities. Next, we'll delve into Chat GPT's capabilities and how it can be a game changer in your life. Imagine a world where your AI not only answers questions, but also becomes your learning partner. That's the world Chat GPT is building. In this segment, we explore its capabilities that extend far beyond what most of us expect. Picture this, a virtual assistant that can simulate conversations with astonishing accuracy, making it a valuable tool for practicing languages or even preparing for interviews. Whether it's drafting content, solving problems, or sparking creativity, ChatGPT proves to be an invaluable ally. By simulating human-like interactions, ChatGPT enhances educational experiences and breaks down complex topics into digestible pieces. It's more than just an AI, it's a catalyst for productivity and innovation. Many are surprised to learn that such versatility is within reach today. As we delve deeper into these capabilities, let's remember that this is just the beginning. The potential is immense, with ChatGPT continuously evolving to meet our needs. Next, we'll uncover the most impressive ways ChatGPT is already transforming industries, boosting creativity and productivity like never before. As we reach the pinnacle of our journey, let's uncover the remarkable ways ChatGPT is transforming productivity and creativity. Imagine a world where your ideas flow effortlessly, where writing, brainstorming, and even coding become seamless extensions of your thoughts. ChatGPT bridges this gap, turning imagination into reality. From novelists crafting intricate plots to designers sparking innovative concepts, the potential is boundless. Consider a teacher using ChatGPT to generate engaging lesson plans, or a musician composing lyrics with newfound inspiration. These are not just dreams, they're tangible achievements powered by AI. ChatGPT isn't just a tool, it's a catalyst for elevating human potential. A partner in the creative process that empowers us to do more and be more. It's about enhancing what we already possess, our unique creativity and our drive for productivity. Join us as we explore these impressive use cases where AI meets human ingenuity in unexpected and extraordinary ways. And now, as we transition to our concluding thoughts, let's reflect on how embracing these innovations can redefine what's possible in our everyday lives. In summary, ChatGPT is a remarkable AI tool that redefines productivity and creativity. Its diverse applications, from text generation to learning assistance, showcase its transformative potential. Embrace this innovation as it paves the way for a future rich in possibilities. Stay tuned as we invite you to explore more about the world of AI. Share your experiences with ChatGPT in the comments below. Dive deeper into the world of AI by exploring our other engaging videos. Discover how AI can transform your daily life and boost your productivity. Stay curious, stay informed, and be part of the AI revolution. Join us on this exciting journey to uncover more about AI's potential.